OPPO Reno 13 5G, a smartphone designed to amaze. In India, this new phone will bring new competition to the market, and I think there are so many impressive things to talk about this phone. So let's get it started. First, we are going to talk about design and display of this phone. From its ultra slim body to its powerful performance, this phone is built for those who demand the best. The phone is incredibly slim and light. It feels like an extension of your hand, perfectly balanced for comfort and convenience. Because it weighs around 121 grams with a thickness of 7.24 mm for plum white color and 7.29 mm for luminous blue. And with an in-display fingerprint sensor, your security is fast and seamless. The OPPO Reno 13 5G have a stunning 6.59-inch AMOLED screen. Whether you're watching videos, playing games, or browsing social media, every detail comes to life on its sharp 1256 into 2760 pixel resolution display. Even under the bright sunlight, the screen remains vibrant because again, thanks to its 1200 nits peak brightness. And for those who love smooth scrolling and fluid visual, the 120Hz refresh rate ensures a lag-free experience. The sleek punch hole design enhances the screen to body ratio, giving you more space to enjoy content without distraction. Now let's talk about one of the most important topics for Indians, the camera system of this phone. The OPPO Reno 13 5G features a dual rear camera setup, 50 megapixel primary lens and 8 megapixel ultra wide lens. It's designed to deliver clarity and color accuracy no matter the lighting conditions. And I really like the colors of the photos and the pictures. Although you get 4K video recording at 60 frames per second, your videos will look cinematic and you can also check out this video quality sample.
ये जो क्वालिटी देख रहे हो ना गाइस, ये हो रही है इसके बैक कैमरा से और यहाँ पे 4K 60 FPS काफ़ी ज़बरदस्त लगा मुझे, क्वालिटी सही लगी, क्लैरिटी अच्छी हो गई और लाइट कंट्रोल वगैरह कैसा क्या है वो आपको देख के समझ में आ रहा होगा। मूव कर रहा हूँ मैं, लाइट भी शिफ्ट हो रही है, कैसे का लग रहा है कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके।
Well, when it comes to the selfie camera, you get here a 50 megapixel front camera that ensure your selfies are sharp and beautiful, ready to share with the world. Also, it has endless AI features for everyday needs like AI unblur, AI reflection remover, quality enhancer, and object remover that can help you out to make your pictures look much better. Outside of this daily AI needs, there are also some extra AI features like AI motion, AI avatar creation that can help your social media platform to look more outstanding. Now, next is all about the performance. Under the hood, the OPPO Reno 13 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 chipset, featuring a blazing fast 3.35 GHz octa-core processor. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or streaming, this phone handles it all with ease. With a massive 8GB of RAM, you can switch between apps without a hitch, and the 256GB inbuilt storage ensure you will never run out of space for your photos, videos, and apps. Also, you have other variants also where you can have a space of 512GB and 1TB. But what about the battery life of the phone, you asked? The OPPO Reno 13 5G is equipped with a massive 5600 mAh battery that keeps you going all day and beyond. And when it's time to recharge, the 80-watt fast charging gets you back to 100% in no time. This phone also supports Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and dual band Wi-Fi, keeping you connected wherever you go. And one of the most interesting features that I really love is IR Blaster that helps you to control your home appliances. The OPPO Reno 13 5G isn't just about power, it's about style too. Its sleek design, premium build, and vibrant color options make it a true statement piece. This is a phone that's as beautiful on the outside as it's powerful inside. And I personally recommend this phone under the budget of 35,000. And if you really want to check out this phone, we have posted out all the links in the description where you can go and check it out. And I hope you liked this video, but if you have watched till here, you must have liked it. But before leaving this video, don't forget to subscribe us. See you guys in the next video.